I couldn't conclude this portion of the project without showing what was done in the latest video, so beginning with the windows, after mapping the placement and cutting each out, the curtains were made. Since the curtain construction wasn't filmed, I'll demonstrate how it was done. The ends of the paper clip were then wedged between the foam board sheets, keeping it in place. On to constructing the magnetic wall for the outer wall. I added an extra 5/8 inch to the side where the pin nails will be placed. Now to attaching the two walls. Since I didn't have flat strip pin nails from a nail gun, I used regular pin nails, gluing 3 together with E6000. The idea for the magnetic wall came from Bentley House Minis here on YouTube. A link to that video will be in the description. I wanted easy access to the bath and the laundry rooms for staging, adding, and removing items without being inhibited by the outer wall. Using cardstock and mat board, I made a magnetic strip for the handbag. The cardstock side was glued to the wall where the mat board side supports the magnet on the back. Rather than use the square magnets I planned to, I went with small rectangle-shaped ones, so a little more of the wall was trimmed off. The nail strips are glued into place. Now the cardstock strip is laid on top. The inner wall and flooring are glued into place. Now the magnets. A mat board strip is then put over the magnets. Before installing the toilet, a mat board square is glued over the opening where the toilet pipe will go. A cardstock square is put over the opening on the back. The magnetic wall is installed. Now the vessel table. The final step is painting the wall cover with treasure gold acrylic paint. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until we meet again, thank you so very much for watching.